Good day. Today we will be looking at June 2023, paper 2, question 9. Okay, it says in the diagram below, O is the center of the circle, A, B, C, D is a cyclic quad. Use the diagram in the answer book to prove the theorem which states that opposite angles of a cyclic quad are supplementary. That is to prove that B plus D is equal to 180 degrees. So this is a proof question. So let's draw the circle first. O is our center of the circle. We've got AB going to C, going to D, and we can connect to A. So A, B, C, D. Okay. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to do a construction. So I'm going to write out what I'm going to construct, and I'm going to draw radii OA and OC. So let's draw that. We're going to connect OA and OC, and we know that those are radii. Okay, so for my proof, I'm going to use what I've just drawn for my proof, and I'm going to label O1 and O2. Okay, so first, my angle O1. What is angle O1 equal to? Angle O1 is equal to 2 times angle B, because of my theorem which states angle at the center is equal to 2 times angle at the circumference. Okay, the next one that I'm going to use is now I'm going to look at O2. What is angle O2 equal to? It's equal to 2 of angle D. Same reasoning, angle at the center is equal to 2 times the angle at the circumference. Okay, now that we can see that we've created this, we also know the last point is that angle O1 plus angle O2 is equal to 360 degrees, and that is a revolution. Now I am going to substitute for O1 and O2. O1 was 2 times angle B, O2 was 2 times angle D, and they both equal to 360 degrees. I'm going to take out 2 as a common factor, and I'm left with angle B plus angle D is equal to 360 degrees. Divide by 2 on both sides to get rid of that. I'm going to be left with angle B plus angle D is equal 180 degrees. This is the proof, and these are proofs that you have to learn. You have to learn how to do them in a test or an exam. Okay, our next question is 9.2. Okay, let's look at the structure that we're given. It says in the diagram, DEFG is a cyclic quad such that EF is parallel to DJ. EF is parallel to DJ. Here is another point on the circle such that DH is parallel to FG. Chord EH is drawn, the chord there, and we're letting D1 be equal to X. The question asks us to prove with reasons that D1 is equal to D2. Okay, there's a lot going on in this question. So let's start with what we have. So we've been given this X over here, okay? And we have lots of parallel lines. So let's start with looking at what we've been given. We can say that EFG G. So this angle here, this angle F, is equal to 180 minus x. Okay, because it's a cyclic quad, we know opposite angles of a cyclic quad are equal. So I'm saying that angle EFG is equal to 180 minus D1, which is 180 degrees minus x. And my reason is because of opposite angles of a cyclic quad. The next thing is that I also know that EFG, so this angle here, can also be equal to something else. What else can it be equal to? Because we have parallel lines, it can also be equal to 180 degrees minus angle G, and that reasoning is co-interior angles, because EF is parallel to DG. But let's correlate G and D2 now. I know that G and D2 are equal because of the parallel lines, and that is giving me alternate angles. DH is parallel to FG, therefore these are alternating angles. Now, if G is equal to D2, therefore and G is also equal to X. Okay, sorry, I'm going back. Let's start again. So I said EFG is equal to 180 minus X because of opposite angles of a cyclic quad, point 1. But EFG is also equal to 180 minus G because of my co-interior angles. That proves that G is equal to X. So G and X are equal. But G is also equal to D2 because of the alternate angles, because of the parallel line DH to FG. That therefore proves that angle D1 is equal to angle D2. Let's quickly revise our mark allocation here. The first one, which is a proof, was 5 marks. For your proof, the marks that you get firstly is for construction, 1 mark. For your angle, 2 reasons of angle at the center of the circle, those 2 points, and then 1 other point here, and then your final mark. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 marks. And then the other point was here. And here was, this question was 4 marks. The first mark was here with your reasoning, here with your reasoning, and your answer with your reasoning. But it was only 4 marks. And in total, out of 9. Thank you.